this video, we will show you how to install crop bars and crop bar diagonal braces on your polytunnel. Crop bars span across the width of your polytunnel on the intermediate hoops, and they are used so that the structure is more robust. Crop bars are not installed on the two end hoops. Here are the parts you'll need. Crop bars are supplied in two pieces. One is 1.57 meters long and is flattened on one end and plain on the opposite end. The second piece is 50 centimeters long and is flat at one end and swaged at the opposite. Connect the tubes together by locating the swaged end in the plain end. Secure the two pieces together with a self-drilling screw 4 centimeters from the joint, ensuring that both flattened ends are in line. Fit a Q-clip to one side of the hoop, approximately head height. A Q-clip can be pushed onto the hoop. If the Q-clip is stiff, use a hammer to tap onto the tube. Once the Q-clip is on the hoop, use a pair of pipe grips to close the prongs together. Locate the flat end of the assembled crop bar to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure in place. Position another Q-clip on the opposite side of the hoop. Locate the flat end to the Q-clip and push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure into place. We need to ensure that the crop bar is level. Place a spirit level on the crop bar and adjust accordingly. Once the crop bar is level, firmly tighten the nuts on both Q-clips. Now we will fit the crop bar diagonal braces. Crop bar diagonal braces span from the crop bar to the central ridge. There is one diagonal brace per crop bar. Crop bar diagonal braces are 30 centimeters long and are flat at both ends. Fit a Q-clip to the central ridge. Fit another Q-clip to the crop bar. Locate one end to the Q-clip on the central ridge and loosely secure in place with a bolt and nut. Now locate the opposite end to the Q-clip on the crop bar and firmly tighten. Adjust the Q-clip so that the crop bar is level and the diagonal brace is not pushing the crop bar down nor pulling it up, and then firmly tighten the Q-clip. Repeat this process on the remaining intermediate hoops. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel and construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.